This is the real system I built for a client to fix a very common problem: messy spreadsheets and an unreliable view of cash flow forecast. Most ERPs like Sage or MYOB just simply produce static reports, as you can see, but this doesn't provide a reliable forward view of liquidity. We start here with the raw export, which is unstructured and difficult to manage, and then we end up here with a fully automated dashboard for forecasting. So the user was simply exporting the aged payables and aged accounts receivables, but that doesn't allow them to actually forecast the actual cash position for the month ahead. To solve this, I developed a structured system with 4 distinct layers: ingestion, normalization, processing, and output. So the raw layer is here, where the client would simply paste the raw data as it is, so that our system appreciates the current state of the data. We then normalize that data so that it's structured and usable. This is using formulas in the background. From there, we move on to the control layer, where the user actually interacts with this data in a clean way. As you can see, you can actually go through each invoice one by one, and in terms of accounts payable, if there are multiple events, you can actually track each payment event. So let's say, for example, the terms of payment are 30 days upon invoice and 60 days after invoice. You can actually trace each event accordingly and adjust based on promised dates, which should edit here in this persistent layer. Once you refresh and put in a new export, the system would update accordingly, and this allows you to actually forecast in advance, which leads us to the final layer, which is the display layer, where you can actually see and track your net position month by month, and this allows you to actually plan and see visibility beyond the capabilities of your ERP. So if you're dealing with spreadsheets or reporting that has become unreliable, send me what you're working with and I'll show you exactly how we can fix it. Thank you so much.